Hello students, let's start chapter area related to circles. Let's do exercise 12.1. Question number 1. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of a circle which has circumference equals to the sum of circumference of two circles. बच्चे we have two radii circles. The radius of one is 19 centimeters and the radius of another is 9 centimeters. Let radius of this circle is R1, which is 19 centimeters, and radius of this circle is let R2, which is equals to 9 centimeters. We have to find a circle whose circumference is equals to the circumference of these two circles. What we have to find? We have to find the radius of that circle. Clear? Now bachche, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is this portion. This is the circumference of a circle. What is the formula of circumference? 2 pi r. The circumference of first circle is 2 pi r1 plus what is the circumference of second circle? 2 pi r2, and the circumference of both circles is equals to the circumference of bigger circle 2 pi r. Clear? What we have to find? We have to find the radius of bigger circle, and we have taken the radius as capital R. Now what is common in left hand side? 2 pi r1 plus r2 equals to 2 pi r. 2 and 2 get cancelled, pi also get cancelled. What is r1? 19 plus what is r2? 9 equals to capital R, which is the radius of bigger circle. Therefore radius of bigger circle is 28 centimeters. Clear? Pause the video and note it down. Let's do question number 2. Question number 2 is bachche, the radii of, what is radii? Radius is radius of one circle. Radii is plural of radius. The radii of two circles are 6 centimeters and 8 centimeters. We have two circles. Let's its radius is 8 centimeters. We have another circle whose radius is 6 centimeters. Let its radius is R2 and its radius is R1. This is center. 6 centimeters is the radius. Find the radius of a circle having an area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. We have another bigger circle whose area is area of first circle, this is circle 1, plus area of second circle is equals to area of bigger circle, which is third one. Clear? What we have to find? We have to find the radius of that circle. Clear? Now what is the formula of area of circle? Pi r square. We will take pi r1 square plus pi r2 square, and that will be equals to area of bigger circle pi capital R square. Clear? Taking pi common, r1 square plus r2 square, that will be equals to pi r square capital R. Pi and pi get cancelled. What is r1? 8. We have 8 ka square plus r2 is 6. 6 ka square equals to capital R square. What is 8 square? 64 plus 36 equals to r square. And what will be the value of r? R will be under root 100. Clear? The r value of r will be plus minus 10. But radius cannot be negative. Therefore, capital R, radius of this bigger circle is 10 centimeters. Clear? Bache, pause the video and note it down. Let's do question number 4. A very important question for examination point of view. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeters. Car's wheels, the diameter of this wheel is 80 centimeter. How many complete revolutions has each wheel makes in 10 minutes? Each wheel 10 मिनट्स तक हमारी कार जो है वो चल रही है, कितने रिवॉल्यूशंस वो करेगा, हमारा पूरा पहिया कितनी बार घूमेगा when the car is traveling at the speed of 66 kilometers per hour. Speed of car is given 66 kilometers per hour. Clear? What we have to find? Number of revolutions. How many revolutions will the wheel make in 10 minutes? Now बच्चे, speed of car is 66 kilometers per hour. What does this mean? It means a car covers a distance of 66 kilometer in 1 hour. Clear? In 60 minutes. How much distance is traveled? 11 kilometers. Sorry, 66 kilometers. Car travels in 60 minutes, a distance of 66 kilometers. For how much time the car is traveled? 10 minutes. In 1 minute. 1 मिनट में डिस्टेंस कम ट्रेवल होगा या ज़्यादा? 1 मिनट में कम डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल होगा. 66 by 60, and in 10 minutes distance covered will be more than 1 minute. Therefore we will do 66 upon 60 into 10. 11s. In 10 minutes the distance covered by the car will be 11 kilometers. Clear? Now I am rubbing from here. Now बच्चे, what we have to find? How many complete revolutions each wheel make in 10 minutes? 10 मिनट में कितने revolutions करेगा? Suppose बच्चे this is a wheel, ठीक है, ये व्हील यहाँ से स्टार्ट है, इसने कितना रिवोल्यूशन किया? लेट ये मेरे पास रोड है, ये व्हील यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ और ये वापस हम इसी कंडीशन पे आ गए. हमने यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया, ये व्हील पूरा घूम गया और वापस जहाँ से मैंने एक पॉइंट लेट लगाया था वापस वहीं पे आ गया. तो क्या हुआ? इस पूरे व्हील का एक रिवोल्यूशन हो गया और वो पूरा व्हील का रिवोल्यूशन इज इक्वल्स टू क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल. तो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 रिवॉल्यूशन, एक रिवॉल्यूशन में एक बार मेरा पूरा का पूरा पहिया जब घूम गया उसमें कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया विल बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल. जो मेरा व्हील है उसकी शेप क्या है? एक सर्कल की शेप है. इस पूरे व्हील ने एक बार ये पूरा घूम गया. लेट मैंने यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट लगाया और ये पूरा घूम के वापस उसी पॉइंट पे आ गया. इट मीन्स इसने एक रिवोल्यूशन पूरा कर लिया और दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल. एंड व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सर्कमफ्रेंस? 2 pi r. What is the radius? Radius is 40 centimeters because diameter is given 80 centimeters. Therefore we will write 2 into 22 by 7 into 40. This is the radius, circumference of a circle. Here we get 1760 upon 7 centimeters. It is the distance covered in 1 revolution. How much distance we have to cover in 10 minutes? 11 kilometers. What we will do? First we will change the distance which we have to cover in meters or centimeters. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters and 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. Then 1 kilometer will be equals to how much meters? Centimeters. 1000 into 100. 1 kilometer equals to 100,000 centimeters. Now we have to find number of revolutions. How will we find number of revolutions? 1760 upon 7 centimeter distance covered in 1 revolution इतना डिस्टेंस हम कवर कर लेते हैं एक रिवॉल्यूशन में। अगर मेरा पहिया एक बार घूमा तो इतना डिस्टेंस कवर हो जाता है। मुझे कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करना है? 100,000 सेंटीमीटर्स। उसके लिए कितने रिवॉल्यूशंस होंगे? मुझे जो चीज़ फाइंड आउट करनी होती है आपको उसको हमेशा राइट हैंड साइड पे लिखना है। अगर मुझे सिर्फ 1 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करना है तो नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशंस तो कम होंगी। इफ 1 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस इज टू बी कवर्ड, रिवॉल्यूशंस विल बी 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1760 divided by 7, which will become 7 by 1760. डिवाइड का साइन है, आप उसको रेसिप्रोकल करते हो मल्टीप्लाई करके। और कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करना है बच्चे मुझे? 1 किलोमीटर इज 100,000 सेंटीमीटर्स। मुझे डिस्टेंस कवर करना है 11 किलोमीटर्स, तो इट विल बिकम टोटल डिस्टेंस टू बी कवर्ड in 10 minutes will be 11 into 100,000, that will be 11 this much centimeters distance we have to cover in 10 minutes. Therefore number of revolutions will be 7 upon 1760 into, clear? 11 ones are 11 six are 11 ones are 16 ones are 625. 625 into 7, 4375 revolutions is the answer. In 4,375 revolutions we will make to cover a distance of 11 lakh centimeters. Clear?